23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
Good evening, I'm Alex Bell, and here are some of the top stories making headlines today. The man who was arrested for driving his car through a crowd of protesters in downtown Bakersfield is set to be in court this week. Michael Tran was arrested after allegedly hitting a 15-year-old with his car during the first night of protest on Truxtun Avenue more than a week ago. He's facing DUI and attempted murder charges, along with charges for violating his probation. Tran is set to be in court tomorrow and Wednesday. And now to the latest numbers on the coronavirus cases here in the county. The death toll continuing to climb, nearing closer and closer to the 50 mark. As of the latest update, there are more than 2,800 total cases in Kern County. 2 new deaths were reported this morning, bringing the total to 47. More than half of those deaths can be attributed to a local nursing facility center. Officials say more than 1,800 residents have recovered. Nearly 30,000 tests, or 90%, have come back negative. Public Health says Kern County dailies average for new cases have increased from about 30 to 50. 23 ABC asked if that spike has anything to do with local protests or reopening efforts.
Do you think there are multiple factors that play into seeing this increased number of cases? One of the most contributing factors to this is the additional testing that we've implemented, now allowing those that are asymptomatic to be tested. There could be repercussions, and that's why I would continue to urge our community to take this seriously and implement those protective measures.
For more on cases and recoveries around the county, head to our website, turn223.com.
And we're looking at some dry weather conditions for this week. We're not expecting any precipitation and mostly sunny skies out there. Completely different from last week where we had a roller coaster of temperatures, warm and very cool. But we're back to kind of some stable conditions with a warming trend expected to begin tomorrow. For tonight, we're looking at a low of 56 in Bakersfield, a low of 57 in Jawbone Canyon, and a low of 40 in Fraser Park. Tomorrow's highs, we're looking mainly in the low 90s in the Valley, 91 in McFarland, 92 in Delano, and 92 as well in Bakersfield and Buttonwillow. In our desert communities, we're looking at a high of 84 in Ridgecrest, a high of 87 in Jawbone Canyon, and a high of 85 in Mojave. In our mountain areas, we're looking at a high of 73 in Lake Isabella, 78 in Lebec, and 89 in Arvin. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. You see that warming trend begin tomorrow, where temperatures will slightly start to warm up. We're looking at a high of 92 for tomorrow, a high of 97 by Wednesday, and by Thursday, we're looking at 99. So we're not looking at any triple digits this week. However, temperatures are slightly warming up compared to what we saw this weekend, where we mainly were in the high 80s to low 70s on Sunday, but these temperatures are warming back up and kind of stabling out. For tomorrow, Kern River Valley, you're looking at a high of 85, Tehachapi a high of 78, and Fraser Park a high of 76.
And those are some of the stories making headlines for today.